Welcome to the CryptoNest. So just want to share something. Yeah, Polkadot. So we can see once again that coins when they skyrocket after they need some time to rest. And is it going to continue to go higher? This is the bigger question, right? So I guess if you browse a little bit on YouTube, you have like this I don't know, debate about are we going to go higher or the correction already started, something like that. Well, for me, until this trend is now broken, I am not emphasizing on on beariness. So we did skyrocket, we did previous we revisit the previous resistance and then continue again. And if I zoom out now, if I go on the daily, hourly, sorry. Okay, so we did skyrocket again, and yes, we did go a little bit lower, but nothing drastic for, well, anyway, in my opinion. The only thing now, we are having this downtrend, and if I zoom in a little bit, there you go. So you see, we did break out here. I actually forgot to share in time. So we were here, and then I was saying maybe we are just going to do that and follow the yellow line and go back to this resistance. This it's very possible. Or okay, now I'm going to take out the yellow because now it's done. And the other option was that price is going to go and revisit this area, and after that goes higher. So now we are here. It did actually revisit this area, and now we shall see if it's going to hold and really start to reverse and permanently stay over the downtrend line. The stock RSI, you can see that it's oversold on the 1 hour. Let's go 4 hours. Also oversold. Daily should be something else. Yeah, okay. So but usually it will keep going lower, but eventually. But you can see that short term we have some regain. So it wouldn't be impossible, actually very very possible, to see a regain in dot, and from current price to go back to this level. We're talking about maybe a little bit less than 9%. And if we manage to go here, the previous is 16. So this is the range that I'm looking forward. And I did put an alarm, as you can see, but then I missed it. I was doing something else. I didn't hear the alarm. I didn't want to put an order limit because I wanted to check when it break how the situation was. And as you can see, it did break like drastically, and we did reach this oversold now. I could even get in, but honestly now I start to be I have several open trades already, so I'm trying to be reasonable, and I don't want to open 10 open trades, right, or something like that. So open trades, I try to select the coins I consider are the most promising, that I can add more extra points. So here would be extra points because the stock RSI, it's oversold. We did manage to break, so that's extra point. We did went to retest this support, so that's good. But now I really need price to start to go high, and also make a higher high compared to this previous, or just barely, if we can call that, peak. So I want to see a higher high now, and I thought we had it here. And once again, retesting, it's not bad, but I would have loved no close candle below the trend, so it's like a little bit shaky. And I'm seeing that as mixed feelings, misleading I don't know, in this. So I'm carefully looking at that, but now the positive thing is now price has to do something, and we only have this little gap left now, right? So whatever it does, either it starts to go higher here, or it's going to break and go below. If it goes below, then forget about that. It's going to go lower, so there will be better entry points later on. And if it actually starts now to react, which I believe it should, then we will see. And yeah, it's like this is pretty much all what I wanted to share with you guys. So that once again, it's another opportunity that I'm blending in, and you need to decide if it's worth it. If it's not worth it, put your self stop limit close. And yeah, because I would say that if we start to go lower than this previous, then because we just did a double bottom, right? So this is in theory it's bullish, but we never know. So double bottom, stock RSI oversold, retesting, and now we're at the trend here. So you do the maths, you do your own homework, and decide if this trade you think it's good enough for you. Alright, so this is pretty much all for Polkadot. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.